Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I am gonna be filming a little bit of a more festive makeup look for you. I have only applied foundation right now, concealer and powder my face, and I did my brows as well. So I thought holidays are coming, I can't wait to get into the Christmas spirit and holiday spirit in general. So I thought, okay, I'm gonna be filming a little bit more of festive makeup that you can wear at any occasion that you're going to. And if you like to see how I'm creating this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so I am gonna go in with eyeshadow, and I zoomed you in as you can see. For eyeshadow I am going to use the Revolution, sorry it's really dirty, but this is the Revolution eyeshadow palette in collaboration with Soph, I believe she's called, and this is called the Revolution Extra Spice. I think I want to create today is a little bit of a cut crease, and for doing so I am gonna be taking my pencil brush by Zoeva. This is the Lux pencil brush 230, and I am gonna be taking this shadow called 21, this shade right here. And I am gonna try to map out where I want my crease to be. I am following, as you can see, the natural crease of my eye, and I am just gonna bring it more up at the end, like I'm creating a little bit of a wing. Alright, so next I am taking this color called Running Late. It's a color right here. It's a very light orange, and I am going above my crease. Alright, I am switching to another brush, and this is from Kiko. It's a flat pencil brush, and I am gonna take again the shade 21, which is this one, and I'm gonna use it to deepen my crease. I am blending everything in with this Lux Cut Crease from Zoeva. Okay, so what I want to do next is cutting the crease, and for doing this I'm going to use the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Velour Liquid Lipstick in color Drug Lord. This is oldie but goodie. It's a favorite of mine, and this is how it looks like. It's white. This is a white lipstick, as you can see. So what I'm going to do is take a flat brush like this. It doesn't matter which kind of flat brush, any flat brush will do, and just take a little bit of lipstick, and I'm gonna put it on my crease to cut it. in with the same pencil brush that we were using before, the flat one. We are gonna use the same shade as we used before, 21, from the Revolution Spice palette. And I am gonna define once again the crease. For my lid color, I'm gonna go in with this eyeshadow called LA Sun. It's a very bright gold, and I am gonna apply it all over my lids. A little pop of color. In this case, I'm going to use the Anastasia for Amrezy highlighter, and I am going to be using this in my inner corner to brighten them up. With the same color, I am going to highlight my brow bone. Lit up with some glitters, and for doing this I am using the Fenty Beauty Island Bling Duo, and I am using the silver glitter part. These glitters are honestly so pretty. I am gonna apply them in the center of my lid. Adding just a little bit more. I feel like glitter is never enough. And a little pop in my inner corner. Next, it's gonna be liner. Alright, I am finishing my skin up and I'll be right back. Lips, I am gonna go with a nude color. I think I am gonna be using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lipstick in color Allegedly. This is a beautiful nude, warm, almost like peachy tone, and I feel it's gonna complement my eyes really well right now. And there you have it, only setting spray and we're done. And there you have it, guys. I am in love with this look. I feel it's very festive, yet you can recreate it for so many different occasions. And this cut crease is giving you life. I love it so much. And the lips, I feel, is complementing the look and putting all together. This you could recreate easily for a party or any event you have to go to. I feel it's very glowy, and the cut crease is definitely a statement. And if you guys like this look, just make sure to like this video, comment, and subscribe, of course. You can follow me on Instagram as well at Nicole Sophie Milan, and I guess I'll see you next time. Bye!